Anyways, it's your boy MistaDIY. Looking crazy right now because it's 8 in the morning. I'm trying to edit this video and it was too much drone for the intro, so I'm redoing the intro. Went to Rush Exotic Wheels on Central. Get to do tire pressure sensors. Passenger side was not showing at all. It was messed up, and then if I would hit a bump, that one would actually just start malfunctioning and reduce the speed to 55 if it was on the freeway, and just did all crazy shit. So I needed new sensors. And yeah, went there. Well, you'll see the video, man. It went there. It was fast, easy. Only charged me $250 a tire with the reprogramming, even though you can reprogram it yourself, but it's okay. I still paid them. But fuck it. Here's the video. Just finished it. I got driving around a little bit. Research tire pressure. They did right. Yeah, let me switch it up. Oh, gotta fix it. But yeah, everything's all good. Everything went well. The first tire pressure sensor they installed on that one wasn't reading, so they put a brand new one. Well, they all of them brand new, but one of the brand new ones wasn't working, so they just put another brand new one in. Yeah, shout out Rush, hooking me up, $200 holler, can't complain. Thanks for watching MistaDIY. Like, subscribe, comment, share, whatever, you don't care. Appreciate y'all.